Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to filter data in Excel. Why would you want to know how to filter data in Excel? Well, maybe you have too much data and want to filter them by name. So today I am going to show you how to filter data in Excel. Check the very description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Now we have a table. Let's mark it, then go data, then click on filter. Now, on select all, select what you want, something like East. It just gives you what you selected. That easy. There you go. If you want to know how to filter data in Excel, that's the east way. I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.